In this video, I'll show you how to mute someone on Discord mobile. So first of all, I'll show you how to mute them on DMs, and then I'll also show you how to mute someone in a voice channel. So to mute someone on DMs, press your profile in the bottom right, and then tap your friends. Next, you want to press on the person's profile, and then select message to open up the chat with them. And then from here, tap on their username at the top. And that should open up this menu, and you'll see a mute button just under their username. Press that, and then you have the option to mute them for 15 minutes or until you turn it back on. So that will mute them indefinitely until you change it. So to mute someone in a voice channel, you come into the server and open up the voice channel that they're in. And what you do from here is tap and hold on that person's avatar, and that'll open up this menu. You scroll down under voice settings, there should be a mute button, and that's how you mute someone on Discord mobile. Thank you for watching.